Alright, hello everybody. My name is Johanna Weiman, and today I'm going to be doing quiz number 3 review. For this quiz review, I decided to do number 12, and the cool thing about this question was actually that I did the rule of procedure number 36 for my last presentation, for presentation number 2. So it's neat that I know a lot about this. So the first step that I'm going to do is, the question is, what's the difference between Tennessee Rule of Civil Procedure number 36.01 and the Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 36A? So first, we know we both have to look up both of these rules of procedure. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Westlaw. We need to make sure that we change this jurisdiction to Tennessee. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that. We know it's a statute, so we're going to go ahead and pull that one up. And then, so I can have both up at the same time, I'm going to open a new tab, and we're looking for the Federal Rule of Civil Procedure. Go ahead and copy and paste that one as well. Make sure we change our jurisdiction to all federal, right here. Save. Copy and paste that one as well. So, as I do know a lot about these two rules, I'm going to go ahead and tell everybody that the rules basically mimic each other. So what I'm going to do, zoom in for both of them, and I'm going to go through the options for the answers. The first one is the federal rule gives more time for responding to admission requests than the Tennessee rule. So we're going to look at the Tennessee rule, and this one says that a defendant shall not be required to serve answers or objections before the expiration of 45 days. And this one, the federal rule, one second, let me look through here. On this one, we do not have anything as of how long they have to respond to this one. So that one, the answer to that one is not correct. The next one says federal rule allows for partial admissions where appropriate, but the Tennessee rule does not. So when you look through here, this is the rule, the one for partial. This is the federal rule. And what I usually do is I search within the document for partial admissions. And if I don't find anything, I just look up admissions in general. You can comb through here. And when you look through all of it, you don't find anything for partial admissions, so that one is not correct either. The next one is about reasonable inquiry into the admission request before responding. So we're going to go look in the federal one again. We're going to look up reasonable. So we have reasonable fashion, no. Reasonable burden, no. We have reasonable inquiry. And most, let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. The revised rule requires only that the answering party make reasonable inquiry. So that one, it's in that one. And then in the Tennessee one, we have an answering party may not, has made a reasonable inquiry. So this the question option says, requires responders to make a reasonable inquiry into the admission before responding, whereas the Tennessee rule does not. Both of them allow it, so that one is not correct. This is the actual answer. There's no real difference between the two rules. And this last one, the federal rule gives more power to the judge to compel responses to admission requests. And to make it short, let's go ahead and go through here. You can search the rule, the word judge, in both of them. You can also search the word power. It says the disputes are best resolved in the presence of the judge, and that is pretty much the only thing you get about having power. There is no power that's given to a federal judge in the federal rule rather than the Tennessee, so that one doesn't apply either. So the answer is there's no real difference between the rules. They pretty much mimic each other. The language is a little bit different, but they pretty much mimic each other exactly. So that is the answer to that one. And please let me know if you have any comments or questions. Thank you.